How to get $300 Uber Eats coupon code. So let's see how you will be able to get the coupon code. Head over to any of the web browser or the Safari. In the source bar, search for Uber Eats promo code. Different sites will be available to you. You can head over to any one of it. Simply tap on the site. In this page, different coupon codes and offers will be available to you. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. If you search more, you will also find $300 coupon code. Once you find the coupon code that you wanted, click on it. Well, the promo code will be visible to you. Simply copy the code. Once you have copied, go back and head over to your application Uber Eats. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you are logged in, head over to your account at the bottom right corner and then move into promotions. The option of add promo will be visible to you. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will open up the interface where you will be able to apply your promo code. All you have to do is paste the promo code that you have just copied and then click on apply. Once you click on apply, it will say promotion applied. It will show you the amount that you have just saved. Now whenever you try to buy any of the product from Uber Eats, with the help of promo code, you'll receive the discount. So that's it, and this is simply how you can get $300 Uber Eats coupon code. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.